Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. and look at this beautiful new arrival straight from the Japan. This is 1997 Skyline. This is R33 model, and look at this beautiful and nice clean vehicle. Body is in great shape. Again, this is GTS 2.5 straight line engine, 74,000 miles. Very popular and nice sedan. Again, straight from the Japan, so we actually imported ourselves. We did all the hard job. So now, guys, for you, just pretty much buy it and drive it and enjoy it, you know. And look inside. Clean, nice interior, close. I mean, beautiful. Again, it's got 119,000 kilometers, which is around 74,000 miles. Power windows, power locks. Again, one of the cleanest car what I see. We actually imported, you know, a lot of cars, and again, most of them are in great condition, and this one is a good example of that. Let me open the hood. Gonna show you the engine. Again, one of the best engine as well. Just give me a second. All right, it's very hard to do when it's cold. When you keep. So this is again straight 6 cylinders, and as you can see, timing belt and water pump being replaced. Again, no rust. Those towers, you know, sometimes they get rusty, but this one is a good example of well-kept, well-maintained vehicle. Sounds very nice. Show you from this side. Again, this one is, you can see, well kept. It's got an upgraded stereo here, you know, climate control, all the remotes. I mean, overall, got DVD player. I mean, nice, clean vehicle. Again, from straight from Japan. So if you guys want to have a nice ride, if you want to have something different, you can stop by at Car City Inc. in Palatine. We do have nice selection of these cars, probably 20-25 vehicles, minivans, sedans, coupes, and you know, if you have any questions, we have a gentleman who's been living in Japan, so he knows everything about these cars, about the years, about the models, about the engines. So any questions, don't be shy. 847-496-4250, and we will make sure you're gonna have the best customer service ever. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day, guys.